Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping the flow. Turn both hot and cold shut-off valves under the sink so you don't work with pressurized water. Once closed, open the faucet to relieve residual water and place a bucket beneath the spout. You need an adjustable wrench, channel pliers, and a cloth to protect metal finishes. Now, grip the existing sink head or aerator and turn counterclockwise. Explain why you're doing this. Removing the head exposes worn seals and mineral buildup that cause leaks. Once the head is off, inspect the aerator screen and the O-rings. These small parts control flow and seal the joint, so worn rings mean leaks. Clean mineral deposits using a vinegar soak or a stiff brush. Remove grit from threads so new seals seat properly. If the O-ring or seat is cracked, swap it for matching size. Apply a thin layer of plumber's grease to help seal and ease future removal. Make sure threads align before reassembly to avoid cross-threading. You now reattach the sink head by hand-threading it straight to avoid cross-thread damage. Once it seats, finish with the wrench. Tighten snugly, not brutally, because over-tightening can crush seals. Turn both shut-off valves back on and run hot and cold to confirm steady flow and no drips. If you see leaks at the connection, shut the valves again and reseat the O-ring or replace it. If necessary, add one wrap of plumber's tape to the male threads and repeat. That troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.